Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Apex, which is the world's first ChatGPT rival app that creates AI powered money sites, pre-fill them with human like content and then drive thousands of targeted clicks for free, making you almost $500 daily, all in 23 seconds or less in any niche without any experience. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 10 plus action taken bonuses worth rupees $1000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Once the user logs into his Apex account, he will land on the dashboard. User can create his WordPress site. By just adding website title and URL, and website is ready. User can add video blogs by using YouTube. Just add YouTube API and search videos from YouTube. User can either save or create blogs by clicking on Create Post. Create Post section is open. Now user can edit the blog either by AI or manually. We have a vast variety of editing tools. And your post will be created. User can also share website on multiple social channels by using our traffic monster. And user's website will be shared on his desired platform.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.